Today we're making a yoga eye pillow infused with lavender for relaxation. For this project, you will need some pieces of fabric, thread, scissors, flax seeds, lavender essential oil or dried lavender, as well as an ironing board and sewing machine. So we're going to have two separate pouches, one to hold the flaxseed and lavender, and the other one will be the outer slip covering. So we're going to need 4 different pieces for this project. Here are the sizes listed that we used. The one is longer than the other so that we could have a nice end seal, which we will show. We begin by sewing the inner pouch, sewing all the way around except for a small opening at the top so we can turn it inside out, and then we can fill it with flaxseed and lavender. I put in roughly 1 tablespoon of dried lavender as well as a couple drops of essential oil. I filled up the pouch to about 2/3 of the way full and use this funnel to help put the seeds in. With the bag full to my liking, we then sewed the very top to finish off the bag. Now we're going to work on that outer slip covering, so just ironing it to have nice edges, folding over the top edge once and then twice and ironing, and then sewing that edge for a nice border. Now doing the same to that second piece of the outer slip covering, folding once, ironing, folding twice, ironing, and then sewing. So now we're going to line up the bottom edges and fold over that top edge of the longer piece of fabric. Pinning both the materials together so that we can now sew them, and you can see here we'll then be turning it inside out. So this is our finished product. The flaxseed is tucked in there in that little pocket, and no seams, nice and smooth, and a really relaxing eye pillow. And I've linked my guided savasana practice so that you can try it out with your new yoga eye pillow. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know below if you gave this a try.